Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome to Alan Cooking. Today we will be cooking Korean glazed chicken drumstick. And here we go, the ingredients we gonna use. Heat the pan with medium heat and then put in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and then next we're gonna put all the chicken drumstick over the pan. We're gonna cook just around 4 to 5 minutes to make sure the other side is golden brown. We put on the top of the chicken pinch of salt and pepper. And then we cover it. We wait until 4-5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we open up and we turn over the chicken. And then we put again a pinch of salt and pepper. And we cover again, about 5 minutes. While we waiting 5 minutes for the chicken, we cut the parsley. This parsley is just kind for garnishes, for decoration when the food is done. We remove the parsley to different plate, and we gonna use it later on. And the next step, we gonna chop the garlics. Well, we check out the chicken and we turn over. It's golden brown already, and we're gonna remove to another dish. And then the next step, we put in the honey, tomato ketchup, soy sauce, the chopped garlic. We put butter together in it and we stir well. After the butter's melting, and then we're gonna put the water. After the ingredients is boiling, and we're gonna put all the chicken inside in. We arrange on the pan to make sure all the chicken can get inside. We're gonna simmer and cover it about 20 minutes. We turn over to make sure that all ingredients will absorb to the chicken. And then we simmer it for a couple minutes until the water is a little bit dry with a small of juices. And here we go. The Korean glazed chicken is almost done. And then we gonna transfer to serving dish and we put the sauces on the top of the chicken. And for garnishes, I put a sesame seed on the top of the chicken and also chop of parsley. Look at how beautiful this is. And now the dish is done. Smell really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy our video. Click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.